Hi, I'm Grant Payton Simpson, here to talk some more about the SOFA Statistics application. SOFA Statistics is about data analysis and reporting. If your data is an Excel spreadsheet or a CSV file, you need to import it. But we won't show that now. But if your data is stored in an SQL type database, you only need to tell SOFA Statistics the connection details, for example the password. Typically, you will only want to connect to one database for a project, perhaps several tables within the same database. But you can configure as many connections as you need. Here I will demonstrate three database engines, SQLite, MySQL and PostgreSQL. If in Windows, I could also connect to MS Access and MS SQL Server. By the way, I use the following tools to manage, edit and query my SQL databases. SQLite Database Browser, SQLyog for MySQL. I could also use MySQL Query Browser and MySQL Administrator, and pgadmin 3 for PostgreSQL. The first step is to add your connection details to a project. We start by clicking on Select Project. The default SOFA project is read-only, but you can add your own. We'll give it the name False Passwords. Okay, and we'll set up SQLite. Our default database will be SOFA default DB, and the default table will be this. We need to select the database. There you are, and don't forget to hit enter so that it's actually stored there. For MySQL, we'll be using demog data. Obviously your situation will be different. The table will be TBL demog, the default table, although we'll see all the tables for each database. Host is localhost, root, and then obviously false password. We'll now set up PostgreSQL, and the default database will be pgsofa. Oops. The default table will be SOFA demo. The host is localhost, user, Postgres, and the password is, of course I'm not going to show that here. Okay, we can save it, and for the purposes of this demonstration I will obviously now switch to the real passwords. Now to look at report tables, and as you can see we can connect to SQLite, all the MySQL databases and the PostgreSQL databases. I'll start here. You'll see the tables available under SQLite, and I might do something like this. There we go. Or I might change to MySQL, demog data, and I might do something there. Or I could choose PostgreSQL. I might look at, say, browser and operating system. This is just, and there we go. It's just false data, obviously. So you can see we're connecting to three different databases using different database engines, and we can analyze however we want. If you have any trouble connecting or any other questions, please go to the SOFA Statistics website at http://www.sofastatistics.com and click on discussion. All the best.